Hi there friend, ever wish you could use two accounts on the same Android phone? You are in the right place. In this quick guide, I will show you exactly how to enable dual apps and clone supported apps in under 2 minutes. It's easy, fast and anyone can follow along. Let's get started. First of all, unlock your phone, then open the settings page. Once you are in the main settings menu, scroll down a little, look for the advanced features option, tap to open it. After this page, scroll down again, find the dual messenger option, click on them. Here you can see all of the available dual apps listed there, such as WhatsApp, Snapchat, Facebook, Telegram, Messenger. If you enable dual messenger, for example WhatsApp, simply tap on the toggle button next to their name. After that, hit install and wait to complete the process and automatically enable dual messenger in WhatsApp. To check it works, simply return to your home screen, open the app door, swipe left to right and see the pop-up dual messenger app icon appear there. And that's it. To use it, simply tap on it, open the app, log into your another account or sign in new account and use them. If you found this guide helpful, please like, subscribe for more Android tips and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.